How have you been doing today?
It's okay. It was not a great day
Okay, why?
because the topic was finance and accounts, and they really bored me. But the professor was really interesting, so it was an okay day.
Okay, so let me throw a question at you, okay?
Okay.
If I tell you bold is beautiful, what
Yeah.
exactly firstly strikes in your mind?
The new Radhika Apte ad, Myntra
Okay.
ad, in which Radhika Apte is there, it strikes my head.
And what is your opinion about it?
I think the ad is very strong. It is giving a very powerful message about individualism, not feminism. Many people are confusing the both concepts, but I think it is about individuality, how that female works through her pregnancy, and she has opened a new office and she is working on it. So yeah,
Okay, so as you said that the commercial is more about individualism and not feminism, how do you
Yes.
exactly support this?
the ad, yes, they have shown two females, and the Radhika Apte, who is the lead actress, she talks about her work being given to another employee who is a male. But she is working hard, and she is being very efficient while working. It's just because the company is thinking that she is maybe not giving her best because she is pregnant. But I don't agree with that. And like I said, it is about individuality. So she opens her own new office, and she's working on the designs, and she's overlooking that during her pregnancy. So it gives a very strong message.
Women today, I think, at their workplace are more at par with the guys.
Yes.
Do you think that pregnancy hampers their growth in any way possible?
It does not hamper the growth, but it definitely gives a pause, because when you are pregnant, you are going through a change which is physical and mental and emotional. So it definitely affects you in certain ways, but most of the times it is a good change. So when you are done with that, you come out as a better person, you come out as a happy and more efficient person.
Okay, but as we see in the commercial, the girl is actually in competition with another woman. Another woman is putting her down. What exactly would you like to say about that?
I think the boss, the other woman, she is doing what she has to do according to the authority, the management in the company. And in the end, she also says that Radhika is their best.
Yeah.
So obviously, she doesn't want to lose her, but she is working according to the management. I think if it was in her hands, she would not have let that happen.
Okay, and lastly, would you ever take a bold step as Radhika Apte takes in the commercial? Would you ever do that?
Yes, obviously, if the situation is like that, I'm going to take many steps like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it is a good picture with a very good, very strong message.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was lovely knowing your views.
Thank you.